everyone. Today I am going to tell about brain drain. So firstly I want to tell about what is brain drain. So brain drain means many intelligent person and like many engineers and doctor migrate one country to other country. Like as we can say in map, like most of the Indians people go for America for earning money. So that's a called brain drain. Now I want to tell about why the people go in other countries. So there are many reasons. Like first reason is the lack of facilities in India. So due to the person go to interest in other countries. And like second reason is like better lifestyle in India. We know our India is not developing countries. So due to many people's interest in go for another countries. The third reason is better job opportunities in India, the lack of better opportunities. And fourth reason is like high education in India, not available high education, so many people go in another country. Now I want to tell about present condition. So like brain drain happening in developing countries like our India, one of them. So the present condition is like 30 million people live in America, and like the people of India contribute like in American economic like 50 Arab rupees. And now I want to tell about advantage of brain drain. So there are lots of advantages. Like first advantage is we can earn money more and more, and second reason is like we can get higher education in another countries. And the third thing is like we can get more earning, we can get higher education as well as we can get better opportunities in another country. And disadvantage of brain drain. So first advantage is like many students go for another country for higher education. In India, like many people wants to preparing a doctor, so the doctor like education is not available, so many people have to go in another country like Russia. Mainly students go in Russia. And so due to this like we are financially weak because the student pay more money for higher education. The second thing is like our country is not developed because many intelligent engineer and doctor go in another country. So how our India become a developed country? So we are indirectly responsible for brain drain. So thank you for listening.